Okay, let's take and solve this equation here. The equation would be as follows. We're going to take and square both sides. So I'm going to take x minus 4, square it, and I'm also going to take the square of 31 minus 6x and square it. So both of those will be squared. In the process of squaring this, you're going to FOIL it. So you're going to get an x squared minus a 2x minus, x squared minus a 4x minus a 4x plus 16. And over here you're going to get 31 minus 6x, like so. Okay, giving me x squared plus 8 minus 8x. So I'm going to redo that here a little bit. So I'll rewrite it again here. We'll go to red, and we'll say it is now x squared minus 8x plus 16. And over here that's equal to 31 minus 6x. Now what you will do here is you will take and move all the terms to the one side. Because of the x squared term, you want to set it all to 0. So we're going to subtract 31 and add 6x to both sides. So I'll subtract 31 and add 6x. So I'll get 0 over here. And I'll subtract 31 and add 6x over this side. This gives me x squared minus 2x minus 15, and that's equal to 0 now. So here we will now take and factor this and see if I get my two solutions. So my two solutions need to multiply together to give me a negative 15, add together give me a negative 2, so that's x minus 5 and x plus 3, and that's equal to 0. And let's extend the page here a little bit. And what that'll do then for me is I'll check both of those answers to see if they work in the original equation. So doing so, let's try and get them first of all. So x equals negative 3, or x is equal to a positive 5. So let's try that in the original equation now again. So if I go 5 minus 4, does that equal the square root of 31 minus, let's see, what is it, 6 times 5? And I think that one's going to work out, because that's going to give me 1 is equal to the square root of 1, which is just 1. That works. Let's try the negative 3, and if I do a negative 3 minus negative 4, or positive 4, excuse me, is equal to 31 minus 6 times the negative 3, which would be a negative 18, and I need the square root of that, and then that gets me 31 and 18 is 49. So I'm going to extend the page again here. I would get a negative 7 is equal to the square root of 49, and we always take the principal root, so we always take the positive root. So negative throws it out, so that means my only solution then is x is equal to 5. And that's it.